Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Here is your English teacher, Ma'am Bushra. Hope you all will be in good health, safe and sound. Let's start our today's class. Today we are going to do some written tasks in our notebooks. So open your English notebooks. Write down day, classwork and date. Like you have to write the day over here, classwork, mention the classwork number and date, okay, and don't forget to mention your page number. So write unit 1 where we live now, and the topic which we have done in this unit was Across the Indus. Okay, it was a poem by Shahid Hussain, and we have read this poem in our previous lectures. Today we are going to do the written work of this exercise. Okay, so the first question here is, name 5 things which the poet does not like about the city. Any 5 things which he doesn't like about the city, we have to mention those things. So the answer, the possible answer is, the poet does not like the crowd, barren heat, drone of flies, ruined houses and obliterating dust about the city. Okay, he didn't like these things about the city. Understand? Now the next question we have here is, why does he find the children unappealing? Why does he find the children unappealing? So the children are naked, so the poet finds them unappealing. The children there are naked, they are without clothes, so the poet finds them unappealing, unattractive. Okay. The third question is, how has crossing the river changed the poet's feelings about the city? Answer, when the poet crossed the river, there was entirely different view. Okay, the complete view over there was different. The view there was very quiet, pure and fascinating. Okay, fascinating means attractive, appealing. This changed the poet's feelings about the city. And the fourth question is, how does the atmosphere of the river compare with that of the city? The atmosphere of the river was very clear, beautiful and fascinating. The houses at the brink of the river were very graceful, while in city the houses were ruined. There was crowd, barren heat and drone of flies. The lands were noisy and dusty. Okay, so in this question you have compared both the atmosphere of that of river and city. So this was all about your written task. You have to use blue marker for headings and for question, and use blue fountain pen for answers. Draw the finishing line at the end of each and every question. It's enough for today. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.